In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Microsoft Edge from automatically opening PDF files. If you've noticed that every time you click on a PDF link, it opens right there in the Microsoft Edge browser, and you want to change this behavior, you're in the right place. We'll walk through a straightforward process to make sure your PDFs are directly downloaded instead. This way you can decide how to open them, whether it's with a different PDF reader or storing them for later use. First things first, open up Microsoft Edge. You're going to want to start at the very beginning by launching the Edge application on your computer. Once you have the browser open, you'll need to direct your attention to the upper right corner of your window. There's a little icon that looks like three horizontal dots. This is your gateway to more options. Click on those dots to open up a drop-down menu. Now from this menu, you'll want to focus on finding Settings. You'll select this option to enter the area where you can control and customize your browsing experience. Inside the Settings menu, take a look at the left-hand side. You should see a range of categories you can choose from. Look for Privacy, Search and Services. This category is where we're going to fine-tune some privacy settings to get the behavior we desire. After clicking on Privacy, Search and Services, the next stop on our journey is the Site Permissions section. You'll find it nested within your settings, and under Site Permissions, delve deeper by clicking on All Permissions. This choice will bring up a comprehensive list of various website content permissions that your Edge browser can manage. Among all these settings, you want to specifically look for PDF documents. Once you find it, give it a click. This is the crucial section where we're going to make the necessary change. You will see an option that reads Always Download PDF Files. There's a toggle switch next to this option that you can adjust. Right now it may be in the off position, which is why PDFs are opening automatically in your browser. To change this, simply click the toggle switch to move it to the on position. Doing this is what will instruct Microsoft Edge to download files instead of opening them directly. From now on, whenever you click on a PDF link, instead of it distracting you by opening immediately, the browser will download it for you to your computer, and there you have it, your PDFs will be saved for you to access at your leisure. This method allows for greater control over your downloads and lets you choose your preferred PDF viewing tool. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to check out our other guides for more tips and tricks on how to optimize your tech experience.